Ever found yourself staring at your Gmail, wishing you had a superpowered assistant right there, ready to draft emails, summarize threads, and maybe even write a poem or two? You've probably heard the buzz about Gemini, Google's latest AI marvel. But here's the burning question: is that power, that potential, free inside your everyday Gmail? Fast cuts, quick shots of people looking confused, then surprised, then satisfied, interspersed with snippets of AI-generated text appearing on a screen. Let's dive deep, cut through the hype, and get you the straight answer. Because, let's face it, in today's world, everyone's looking for that edge, that productivity boost, and the idea of AI seamlessly integrated into something as ubiquitous as Gmail? That's a game changer. Transition to a screen recording of a Gmail inbox, with annotations highlighting different features. First, we need to understand the evolution of AI in Google's ecosystem. Remember Smart Compose? That was just the tip of the iceberg. It learned your writing style, predicted what you were going to type, and saved you precious seconds. Then came Smart Reply, offering quick, contextually relevant responses to emails. These features, built on earlier AI models, were integrated directly into Gmail and, importantly, they were free. Show a side-by-side comparison of old Smart Compose/Reply and a hypothetical Gemini-powered equivalent, highlighting the enhanced capabilities. Now, Gemini takes things to a whole new level. It's not just about predicting your next word, it's about understanding the context of your entire email, generating complex responses, summarizing lengthy threads, and even helping you brainstorm ideas. Imagine asking Gemini to draft a professional response to a client's complaint, or summarizing a 20-email thread into a few concise bullet points. That's the power we're talking about. Cut to a graphic showing the different tiers of Google's services: free Gmail, Google Workspace, Google One, and a separate section for Gemini Advanced. So, where does Gemini fit into all of this? Here's the crucial distinction: Gemini itself is the underlying AI model. It's the engine. How you access and utilize that engine varies depending on the specific application and your Google subscription. Focus on the free Gmail tier, with annotations highlighting the existing AI features. In the basic, free version of Gmail, you'll still have access to those core AI features we mentioned earlier: Smart Compose and Smart Reply. These features are powered by Google's constantly evolving AI, and they're designed to enhance your everyday email experience. They're not going away. Transition to screen recordings showing Google Workspace features, highlighting features like Help Me Write within Docs and Gmail. However, the more advanced capabilities of Gemini, the ones that truly unlock its potential, are primarily found in Google Workspace. Features like Help Me Write in Docs and Gmail, which allows you to generate drafts and refine your writing using more sophisticated prompts, are part of the Workspace ecosystem. Google Workspace is a subscription service, meaning it's not free. Show a comparison table: free Gmail features versus Google Workspace features, clearly listing the differences. Think of it like this: the free version of Gmail gives you the basic tools, while Google Workspace gives you the professional toolkit. And within that toolkit, you'll find the deeper integration of Gemini. Address the confusion around Gemini Advanced. Now, to add another layer of complexity, there's Gemini Advanced, which is accessed through the Google One AI Premium plan. This plan gives you access to Gemini Ultra, Google's most capable AI model, and offers advanced features across various Google services. This is a separate subscription, distinct from Google Workspace. Show a visual representation of the different subscription tiers and their respective Gemini access levels. So, to answer the initial question directly, no, the full, advanced capabilities of Gemini are not free within basic Gmail. You'll get the core AI features, but the more powerful, generative AI tools are tied to Google Workspace and the Google One AI Premium plan. Address the potential for future changes and integrations. However, the landscape of AI and Google services is constantly evolving. Google is committed to integrating AI more deeply into its products, and it's possible that we'll see more advanced Gemini features come to free Gmail in the future. But as of right now, the most powerful Gemini features are behind subscription walls. Show a screen recording of a user interacting with Gemini within Google Workspace, demonstrating its capabilities. Why this tiered approach? It comes down to resources and development. Building and maintaining such powerful AI models requires significant investment. By offering different subscription tiers, Google can provide access to varying levels of AI capabilities while ensuring the continued development and improvement of these technologies. Address the user's potential needs and how to choose the right plan. If you're a casual Gmail user who primarily uses email for personal communication, the free version of Gmail will likely meet your needs. You'll still benefit from the existing AI features. However, if you're a professional who relies heavily on email, or if you're looking for advanced AI tools to boost your productivity, Google Workspace might be a worthwhile investment. And if you're looking for the absolute best that Gemini offers, then the Google One AI Premium plan is the plan for you. Summarize the key takeaways. In summary, basic Gmail offers free AI features like Smart Compose and Smart Reply. Advanced Gemini features, like Help Me Write, are primarily found in Google Workspace, a subscription service. Gemini Ultra, the most powerful model, is available through the Google One AI Premium plan. The AI landscape is constantly changing, so stay tuned for future updates. Show a final screen with a call to action, subscribe, like, and comment. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to upgrade to a paid subscription depends on your individual needs and how you use Gmail. If you're looking for the most powerful AI assistants, you'll need to consider Google Workspace or the Google One AI Premium plan. But if you're happy with the basic AI features, you can continue to enjoy Gmail for free. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.